preview. Watch till end. Want to create like this? Do follow some simple steps. Download VPN app from Play Store and on it. Don't forget to like. Connect it. Subscribe my channel for more editing tips and templates. Go to Google or Chrome. Search Capcut template. Select first link. Scroll down. Select this. Scroll down. Click on Use Template on Capcut. Do like, share, comment for more trending templates and edits. Click Use Template. Select your 3 photos. If you like this video, do subscribe and press on bell icon. Click on Export. Export without watermark.
Lama, I see you.